Hello guys, hope you're all doing good. So for the last 1 month, if you see what I was seeing in YouTube analytics is that more number of subscribers have left this channel, and you know why they have left this channel? Left this channel in the sense they have unsubscribed this channel, and you know why? Because many think I am talking negative or I am telling market is going to crash, and I don't want the market to go up. Nothing like this, my friends. And I can see from the comment section also how many people, whenever I say market is going to go, when I told once when the market was around 17,600, I told market will touch 17,000, and market touched 17,000. So people reacted so aggressively for that video. And when I told market is going to crash, market is going to come down, and when I was bearish, everybody came and tried to like kind of abuse me. You know why? Because many people are long in the market. So because you are long in the market, or because I want the market to be on the upside, or I want the market to go on the upside, I cannot just come and tell market is going to go on the upside, right? People say I am negative. What negative? I am just telling you the facts. And what they tell so many things. They tell I don't know anything, I that this and all kind of things they tell. Nothing like that, my friends. You have to understand this. Just because I want subscribers, or just because I want to grow this channel, I cannot tell you the wrong things. Whatever is happening in the market, we are saying in the market, and that happens. So 70 to 80% of the time that happens. If I am wrong, I am going to tell I am wrong, or I have failed. If I am right, I am going to say I am right. That's it, right? And losing subscriber is not a big deal in YouTube. If we want subscribers, no, you pay Google some amount, and we will get subscribers eventually. This channel is 20k subscribers. If I wanted to make 200 k subscribers, I just pay Google some money, and I will get 200,000 subscribers. But that is not the reason I am here. We want organic subscribers, and YouTube is not my bread and butter. This is nothing. This is peanut. I have so many other works. I have so many other incomes which I have to concentrate on. So YouTube is nothing. And what do you think YouTube is going to pay? Nothing. Peanuts. Nothing. Yeah, let me honestly tell you, nothing. Just peanuts. So the point here is I am not here for subscribers, or I am not, and even many people say I earn from YouTube. What I am going to earn from YouTube? On an average, one video, a video if I post, on an average it will go 4k or 5k. That's it. What I am going to make? Nothing. For last 7 or 8 months we have been posting video, and what do you think I would have earned? Nothing. So YouTube is nothing. This is just one passive income. You think like that. There are more other ways where we make money, and this is nothing. Anyway, eventually I will show what we are doing here. That's why we are here for. So you don't mistake me. I am not here to give negative things or negative thoughts to you, or I am not advising whatever happens in the markets. That is what we are trying to say. And yesterday we told markets are upside is very much limited, and that is what has happened. Yesterday US markets, Dow Jones was down by 300 or 350 points, and today we gap down. And as I talk to you, SGX Nifty is flat, US futures are flat, and everything is flat. And we have been shorting the market from 17,800 call option I shorted, 17,600 call option I shorted yesterday. Today morning I squared off 17,600 in profit and shorted 17,500. So it is flat. Tomorrow we will see what happens to 17,500. Even if the market gaps up at 17,500, we will manage. That's not an issue. So that's why we are here for, and that's why we are in the market for more than 8 or 7 years, right? So we will see how we can manage that one. That is not a problem. But as I told you, this market is kindly of very volatile, right? If you see Nifty and Bank Nifty, both Nifty and Bank Nifty was highly volatile, and all W shape, S shape, V shape, everything is forming in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Actually, Bank Nifty was kind of bullish today. Bank Nifty, if it was not Bank Nifty, Nifty would have gone on the downside. And Nifty, I told you this 17,362, which was yesterday's low. In yesterday's video, we told if that is broken, then we will have to see Nifty going towards 17,000, then 16,800. But today Nifty was able to not sustain, even though it gapped down, it was not able to close above yesterday's close. If it had closed above yesterday's close, then that would have been a good sign for us. But unfortunately, it is not happening. And this FIIs, you see, for the last 3 months, FIIs alone in cash market, they have sold more than 85,000 crores, and DIIs have bought just for 45,000 crore. Almost half only DIIs have been able to match the FII sellings. So this is why the market is going down. And even yesterday they have sold for around 2,300 crores, and eventually they will start selling. So US markets are kind of jittery, and you know what is happening in the US market, geopolitical situation, Federal Reserve is not supporting this one, inflation is very high, jobless claim is very low. Inflation is very high, number of people applying for jobless claim are very, very less. That means economy is performing very good, and inflation is super high. If you see the inflation, you go and check in the chart. If you know economics, you can go and see in the chart. For the last 40 years, this is the highest rise of inflation for the last 40 years. So this cannot continue like this. Nobody is going to like this. If you see, economists are advising or cautioning us, this is not good for the economy. See the inflation. You have 100 rupees, you have 200 rupees, it is nothing. It is just like 10 rupees or 20 rupees. So inflation is very high, even in US, all over the world, inflations are very high. This coronavirus or this Omicron has created a kind of, see, one part of the world is growing high, and another part of the world is not at all growing due to this coronavirus. China, India and all, it is growing. If you see Europe is not growing. Europe, what post pre-pandemic situation, it is not even reached pre-pandemic situation, but we have bypassed the pre-pandemic situation. We were at 12,500, I think, not 12,000, somewhere around 14,000 before pandemic, this corona issue. Now where we have touched 18,600. So it's a kind of macroeconomic things just we want to know. Looking at this only, we were saying markets are likely to go on the upside. So we will be bearish. Still we are bearish. We will be bullish once market closes above 17,600 or 17,700. Market has to sustain above 17,700 or 17,600. And last but not the least, I am telling you again, I am not negative, I am not here to hurt anyone. I am just telling you the fact, and you know how YouTube works. It works on controversies. So we will have to talk controversies, and we have to put thumbnail which creates curiosity. That is why we are putting thumbnail or that and this. We talk many things, but honestly speaking, I am not here to hurt anyone. So let's see how things pan out tomorrow. Nothing much to talk, and thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.